Don't cough. Don't cough and sneeze. See, I've seen him chew his hands, but I've never seen him step his thumb like he wasn't there. Totally. And his other finger's sticking to his thumb. Have you guys seen him suck his thumb?
This is Brennan's first time. And obviously he can't touch the ground.
And he's in his walker.
But he fell asleep.
Asleep.
And he's sucking his thumb.
Mommy put him in his walker.
He's sucking his thumb for the first time. Uh-oh.